Welcome to Rancher EMC demo. My name is Sid. In the past few weeks, I've been working on integrating Rancher with multiple EMC products such as RackHD, Rexray, and SCALEIO. In the screen that I've shown, you can see the version of Rancher that I'm using. I'm going to start off by showing you Rancher's integration with RackHD. RackHD is a bare metal provisioning software, and using RackHD you can manage all of your bare metal hosts. You can boot it up, you can power it down, you can install a specific OS, you can perform pre-boot tasks, etc. The way we integrated Rancher with RackHD was using Docker machine drivers. RackHD comes with a Docker machine driver written by EMC code, and all I need to do to integrate it is add the driver into the Rancher environment. But first, we need to create an environment for this demo. Let's create an environment for this demo. To create an environment, go to the right top corner of the screen and then click on the home-like icon with the default next to it. When you click on it, it shows you a drop-down list and there's a button which reads Manage Environments. Click on the button. Once you click on the button, it takes you to a new page which has an Add Environment button. When you click on the Add Environment button, it asks you for the orchestration engine to use. In this case, I'm going to use the Mesos orchestration engine and create an environment called QLab. And then I click on Create. At first, the state of the environment was shown as registering, and now it's active. Let us switch to that environment. Now we're running in the QLab environment. In the QLab environment, I'm going to start off by adding the RackHD Docker machine driver. To add the RackHD Docker machine driver, go to the admin page, click on Settings, and then all the way at the bottom of this page, there is a sub tab called Machine Drivers. Under Machine Drivers, you can see I've already added the RackHD driver. In order to add this RackHD driver, all I had to do was click on Add Machine Driver and then fill in all the details. And then if you click on Create, the machine driver gets added. Now that the driver has been added, we're going to create hosts using RackHD. I'm going to scroll back up to the top of the page again and then click on the Infrastructure tab. Under this tab, there is the Host sub-tab, and when I click on Add Host, I can see a UI for RackHD. In this UI, I have to fill in these details, and then if I say Create, 3 nodes will be created for me. Now that we've created the host, let's go to the infrastructure page and make sure that they've been created. In the infrastructure page, you can see that there are 3 hosts now with the names that we provide. Similarly, I added 10 more hosts under the same name into the environment. You can see them here when I click on the infrastructure page. Now let us go ahead and launch SCALEIO on all of these hosts. I go to the catalog item and under the tabs I choose QLab, which shows me all the catalogs under QLab. I scroll down to look at SCALEIO and then click on View Details. It asks me a bunch of configuration options which I fill in. Then I say Launch. This will launch SCALEIO. Now that SCALEIO is running, we can add Rexray to all of these hosts, and Rexray can leverage SCALEIO storage. Let us do that using another catalog item. I go to QLab catalogs again and then choose Rexray. I provide the SCALEIO details and say Launch. This will launch Rexray on all hosts backed by SCALEIO. If we go to the infrastructure page, you'll see a third spinning wheel, which is the Rexray hosts. As you can see, SCALEIO is already active and Rexray is still activating. Once Rexray is active, you can use Rexray as the Docker volume driver for any container that you start.